And I see the anterior buttocks, great, I think. But then the anterior buttocks gets longer and longer, and I'm looking and I see a foot pop out and I realize, oh, it was a kneeling presentation. This was the knee of the baby. The breech baby that enters the pelvis from the right slips into the pelvis with lateral flexion, much easier with the contractions. When the breech baby is on the left, the baby settles into more of a curve that we find on the left side of the uterus. The uterine contraction sends that baby over to the right hip, and engagement can take quite a while until the hips can finally enter the pelvis. This course is a series of modules. Your pre-test gives you access to Module 1. Answering the questions at the end of Module 1 gives you access to Module 2. Answering the questions at the end of Module 2 gives you access to Module 3. And then you'll get to the post-test. The post-test gives you access to download your Certificate of Continuing Education. At that point, you have access to more videos from midwives, doctors, nurses, talking about their experiences with breech birth.